The best strollers for tall parents. There are several great strollers for tall parents, but the best for tall parents is likely to be the one that is comfortable and fits well on both the baby's and the parent's back. Many of these strollers have features that make them perfect for larger families, as well as children of all ages. Tall parents want the best strollers for their children, but finding the perfect one can be difficult. Here are 5 of the best options available for tall parents. Number 1. Best Compact Summer Infant 3D Lite Convenience Stroller Black. Make your outings a load of pleasure with this umbrella stroller for tall people. With its lightweight aluminum frame that is stylish, durable, and has a number of accessories. Weighing just 13 pounds, it has a large seating area for your baby, with front wheels that absorb shock and impact, and back wheels that are lockable. The seat can be reclined in 4 positions for the comfort of your baby, and a 5-point harness ensures your baby's safety. It features a storage basket that can hold up to 10 pounds, a cup holder, and a back pocket. It's ideal for babies weighing 50 pounds and who is 43 inches tall. Take this stroller anywhere you go with your baby and enjoy your time with your little one without any discomfort. What we like: compact, easy to fold frame, auto lock, features a carry strap, removable and adjustable canopy. Canopy features pop-out sun visor. What we don't like: some feel the back could have better cushioning. Number 2. Best Lightweight Summer 3D Flip Convenience Stroller Black Gray. This unique umbrella stroller for tall people has a reversible design, so your newborn can always look at you and face the other way as they get more curious. Measuring 40.38 by 13 by 9.50 inches, this lightweight stroller has a durable aluminum frame, a large and comfortable seat, shock-absorbing front wheels, and rear wheels that can be locked by tapping it with your toe. The seat can be reclined to 6 positions, so that your baby is also comfortable. It also features a 5-point harness for safety and head support for your baby. It can take up to 25 pounds while facing the rear and 50 pounds while facing forward. What we like: compact fold with auto lock, features a carry strap, features parent cup holder, has a side storage pocket, large adjustable canopy with peekaboo window. What we don't like: some feel the seat could have more cushioning. Number 3. Best Durable Summer 3D Lite Plus Convenience Stroller Matte Gray. This lightweight stroller ensures both comfort and convenience for you and your baby. Crafted with premium fabrics and superior stitching, this durable stroller features a number of accessories like an extra-large sun canopy, a storage pocket with a zipper, and a huge storage basket. With a weight of just 14 pounds, it has a light aluminum frame and an adjustable multi-position reclinable seat with a 5-point harness for safety. Its front wheels are built to absorb impact and shocks, while the rear wheels are lockable. It's extremely compact after folding with an auto lock and has a carry strap that is padded for added comfort. Enjoy long walks or travel to your heart's content with this baby stroller for tall parents. What we like: flip out sun visor, features a cell phone holder, includes a parent cup holder, includes a child sippy cup holder, canopy with peekaboo window. What we don't like: some feel the carry strap is too short to hang on the shoulder. Number 4. Best Unique Baby Trend Expedition 2-in-1 Stroller Wagon Plus Ultramarine. This innovative and unique tall stroller can be used as a stroller, by using the push mode, and as a wagon, by using the pull mode, all with the help of a hideaway handle. It includes an extra cushion that converts the seat into a mat, so that your baby can lie down. Its basket can be flipped over and used both in the front and at the back of the wagon. The seating space is huge and can comfortably seat 2, and their safety is ensured with a 3-point harness belt. There's a soft storage console for parents to keep strolling essentials, a removable console in the center with 2 cup holders, and a place to store snacks, and pockets on the outside to hold drinks. What we like: UPF 50+ canopy, airflow mosquito netting, universal car seat adapter, EVA tires, foam handles with easy grip, 1-step linked brakes, 2 additional cup holders outside the wagon. What we don't like: some may find it too big and bulky to travel with. Number 5. Best Lock System Evenflo Pivot Span Modular Baby Stroller Percheron. This innovative stroller features a unique slide and lock system that can convert it from a single to a double stroller, to fit an infant car seat or another toddler seat. It features 4 modes: the parent-facing infant mode, forward-facing infant mode, parent-facing toddler seat, and forward-facing toddler seat. It has a large storage basket which can expand to 2 feet in length and can be reached both from the front and the back. These durable baby strollers for tall parents can comfortably hold up to 55 pounds, and the metal and plastic parts can be cleaned easily with water and mild soap. It can be folded very easily and can stand on its own after folding with the toddler seat attached. What we like: 3 positions, adjustable handle, simple to navigate, large cruiser tires, effective brake, front wheel swivel, rear wheel suspension, 3 reclining positions, 5-position adjustable footrest, peekaboo window in the canopy, superior maneuverability, parent cup holder, removable bumper bar. No tools are required for conversion. What we don't like: works better for infants than toddlers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.